Evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second. No, it's the third puzzle. Yeah, the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Monday, May the 13th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles: the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudokus. Sudoku. So two puzzles are left: the jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. Yes, it's binary time. And this one will be number 8527. 8527. Yeah, 8527. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Alright. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in the column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double, here one, there one. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And between the ones comes an O, between the ones comes an O, between the ones comes an O, between the O's comes an 1. Between the O's comes an 1, between the ones comes an O, double O here, 1 there, 1, double 1 here, no there, no, double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no. Oh, sorry, between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the first row, so the rest are ones, and 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Finished in 2 minutes. Well, this one is a very quick puzzle to solve. And we solve it again without comparing. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.